Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I want to say thank you very much for stopping by and checking out the video. As you read by the title, this is a birthday video along with International Women's Day. So today is March 8th. This is a look that I put together for Miss Brenda Hipp. She's an absolutely beautiful, wonderful person as well as a great friend. She has been there for me for a while now, and I greatly appreciate her. So this is the look that I put together for her. She is a Pisces, which is the star sign. I did do a little bit of research on her birthday and today's date and all of that. So Miss Brenda is turning 60. I will leave her Instagram down in the description box. Do go over, tell her happy birthday. But Pisces, born on this day, quite known to be compassionate, caring, spiritual, and intuitive people. Pisces are known for being one of the most empathetic of the zodiac signs. So that's a little interesting. I will let you know that she shares a birthday with Freddie Prinze Jr. Yum. The color for Pisces is aquamarine, which is what I did in the middle of my eye. And then the birthstone is aquamarine or amethyst, which is also why I did the purple along with International Women's Day. International Women's Day celebrates women's achievements worldwide. The women's right to vote. It was started in 1914, and it started in Germany, which a fun fact from there is German women did not win that vote until 1918. She also shares this day with the Yankee Clipper. If anybody knows who that is, leave it in the comments. I'm of course going to tell you, but if you know, let me know. The Yankee Clipper is none other than the New York Yankees' Joe DiMaggio died on this day in 1999. He is a famous baseball player. He played for the New York Yankees between 1946 and 1951. It is estimated that 5.2% of the world's population is born under the sign of Pisces, which makes them the rarest, in fact, on the planet. So, there's a little bit of March 8th and what she shares on her birthday. It is, like I said, also International Women's Day. Signifies justice and dignity is the color purple, combined with the color green to represent the feminist movement, which I do have on green for my highlighter. And the theme for 2021 is choose a challenge. They do a theme every year. That is this year's theme. A challenged world is an alert world. And from challenge comes change. So I do like the theme this year. So Brenda, I do want to say happy birthday to you. Freddie Prinze Jr., if you ever see my video, happy birthday to you too. Happy International Women's Day, every woman, queen, all of y'all, all of my sisters out there. Please do try to raise each other up today. If any other day that you can be a good woman, today is that day. Absolutely. So please do your part. So the ending that I'm going to leave on this video is International Women's Day. Your heart is pure and your love is selfless. Wishing happy Women's Day to the most amazing women in the world. May you always shine and spread light all around. Happy Women's Day. So that was my video. Brenda did take it upon herself to reach out to me. I put a video up about a year ago telling people that if you would like a look done for your birthday to just reach out. She did. I did not get back to her, so this is going to be a surprise. I did not ask her the colors. She did ask me to use Jeffree Star. So I did use the Bloodlust and the Blue Blood palette to make my look along with my lips. I used the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color Fresh for my eyes. And then Jeffree Star's Extreme Frost in Sour Ice, which of course is green. It is a beautifully stunning highlighter. Absolutely gorgeous. And in the color, cool. The colors I used in the Blue Blood were Entitled, with a little bit of Ice Tray to mix the Entitled and the purple together. I also used Cullinan on my eyebrow bone. That was out of Blue Blood. Out of Bloodlust, I started in the crease transition color with Deviant. I also used some of the Vivid Mood. And then on my lips, I used the Betrayal and Blood Queen. And in here, for my inner corner, I used Take the Crown. So that is how I did my look. Brenda, I hope that you like the look. I do appreciate you reaching out. You are always such a great supporter. If you are new here, like I asked, please do hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the bell. Do give the video a like or a dislike. It really does help my channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.